right, Internet Explorers. Get ready to level up your browsing game because I've got 20 brand new Rammerhead web proxy links. For 2025, hotter than your school's Wi-Fi. When everyone tries to stream at once, these links are clean, smooth, and safe, perfect for catching a breather between math equations and wondering why mitochondria are still relevant. Whether you're looking up school-friendly content, wink, or just need a digital escape. Rude during study hall, these Rammerhead proxies are here like loyal Sedekix, no weird pop-ups, no sketchy detours, just smooth surfing. So, if you're ready to glide through the web like a browser ninja, smash that like button. Hit subscribe for more student-friendly browsing tools. And check the description for all 20 glorious links. And hey, if your laptop starts glowing and levitating after you click one, don't worry. That just means you've officially accessed 2050 a few decades early.